Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Grant Gould here, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, 1800 Barksdale Boulevard. It is a beautiful day here at Bayou, and it is my honor to bring you the Sanibel 3102 wide body. That's right, I said it right. It's 100 inches wall to wall on the inside. These things are impressive. From the smart awning, it's electric. It has the LEDs all the way down the lights. You even have the huge pass-through storage with the dog latch holder and TV hookups for the outside. New entry steps, outdoor marine grade speakers, but let's go on inside and we'll take a look at this thing. So we are currently on the inside of the 3102 Sanibel wide body. Coming to my left instantly to the inside, you have the table and 4 chairs. No pole in the middle, so everybody can sit there comfortably without hitting their knees. Double rocking recliners, they both lay flat. Huge, huge, huge pull-out bed in that couch with LED lights everywhere and whisper quiet AC units in the ceiling. Fireplace that's electric heat, it'll heat you out here. It'll save tons of money on propane with the sound bar and the televator where the TV actually drops down into the countertop. Look at this new Insignia oven. This thing's bigger than the one in my house. 4 top burners, all high output with cast iron. A huge oven where you can actually cook more than pizza and biscuits now. A regular size microwave that you can actually put anything you need to, a regular dinner plate, whatever you got, with a double-sided residential fridge with a freezer and a deep freezer to hold all your groceries and your snacks. You know, they go over here in the pantry with tons of storage in the pantry space, and even your countertops are solid surface countertops with the farm style stainless steel sink and a residential faucet at that. But we'll go up here, guys, toward the master. You're really going to enjoy this. So coming into the master bath, to the left you have a real household porcelain toilet with a stand-up shower and skylight for you taller ladies and gentlemen. Big old sink for brushing your teeth and shaving. You can do anything you need in that bathroom. King size bed in the master. That's right, it's a king bed with your second whisper quiet AC in here in the master. That you don't see it in here, that's your intake, that's your outtake. It's racetrack ducted. You're really going to be able to get cold in here. Huge style closet with washer and dryer hookups at that on the inside of your second closet, or like I said, you can use it for washer and dryer, with tons of drawers on 50-pound ball bearing drawer glides. You can fill them up, you're not going to hurt them a bit. Every window has blackout shades. This thing is stunning. But guys, before we go, let me show you this price. We actually have a huge price reduction on this one right now. It is going for $67,535, but not today, guys. Red tag, right bottom discount price. I've got $17,540 knocked off this just for you. It's only going for $49,995. That is insane. Y'all come see me today. I'm Grant Gould at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, 1800 Barksdale Boulevard. Hope to see you guys soon. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. See ya.